Naniniwala ka rin ba na kahit gaano ka kabusog, there should always be room for dessert? Hey cuties! Lately, pistachio has been running all over my FYP. Kaya naman na-curious ako kung masarap ba talaga or hype lang. Napadaan nga sa feeds ko tong Keisha's, so I ordered their classic Dubai Pistachio Kanafe Cake na solo and their Dubai Pistachio Kanafe Dark Chocolate Mini Bar. Kaya naman tara let's at tikman na natin.